Hey guys, I'm here today to show you the process of kind of how we use our pattern vinyl back in our art room. So I'm going to be kind of mixing our pattern vinyl with some of our vinyl that you can buy in the warehouse. I'm going to be doing a t-shirt design, and then we'll do a mug as well. We'll do sign vinyl for the mug, and then the designs will kind of work together. And so yeah, let's get started. First thing I got to do is I got to weed all this. I always kind of like to start at the corner and peel the corner up, just so I don't kind of like mess with the transfer. I don't want to poke the actual material that we're going to be using. When I'm weeding out small stuff like this, I like to try to find the middle of it, just to make sure I'm not cutting that actual part that I need. Alright, so I got the HTV pattern vinyl weeded. I do have a couple copies here, just in case I make a mistake pressing or something like that. You always kind of want to have some extras on hand. And then I do have a word here, howdy. And then I got just some basic circles that we cut out. And then I'm going to kind of place them randomly on the garment to kind of give it more of like a splattered look. The next one we have is we have some Easy Weed Stretch Coffee. And lastly, I'm going to weed the Decofilm Soft Metallic. Oh, this stuff weeds like butter. So I got everything weeded here. Now we just kind of got to start piecing it together. I do need to mask the pattern vinyl first. So the easiest way to do it is to lay it down in front of you. I like to peel corner to corner, take the white backing and throw it off to the side. I call it the taco method. You'll taco it, you'll let the center touch first, and then you'll kind of just bring the sides down gently. You don't want to touch it with your hands right away. You kind of want even pressure throughout. So I always start in the middle with light pressure, kind of work my way out. Once I know it's on there, I'll give it a little more elbow grease. And basically we're trying to get rid of any of the cloudiness or any like bubbles, big bubbles that you see in the design. So we'll rip this guy up, flip it over, and then you're gonna see you still have that liner that the pattern vinyl actually came on. You're gonna wanna take that off. I always go corner to corner. That white backing that I took off at the beginning, the KTM, I'm gonna put that back on just to kind of preserve the stickiness and make sure this doesn't get all dirty. I always call it bumpy side up. You kind of put it on there. You can use your hands on this part. All right, so I think we're ready to start pressing. All right, so we're gonna start with the Easy Weed Stretch. This gets pressed at 320 degrees for 10 seconds. And we got a couple of these here now. I'm gonna kind of try to line it up all right away just to make sure I have everything where it needs to be. I'm gonna cut apart these little dots we got here. I'm gonna try to keep them more on the outside so I don't have to worry about them really touching the other stuff I'm trying to press as well. So there, I think we got that all lined up. We're gonna press all the Easy Weed Stretch together at once, 320 degrees, 10 seconds. So let's give her a go. There it is. Let's see how this turned out. I'm gonna let it cool down for just 1 second before I take those off. Awesome, it's looking good so far. Next we're gonna do the Decofilm Soft Metallic. So that's this blue we have here. All right, let's throw this Decofilm on here and line it up. So we're gonna put the howdy underneath there. And then we'll line up the top two. There. That looks good. We're gonna throw these little blue circles all over the place. And now we're pressing this at 320 degrees for 7 seconds. And this is gonna be a cold peel. All right, so this is probably cooled off now, so we can start peeling away. All the circles, no, let's go for the word. This is the money pull. Last but not least is gonna be the pattern vinyl. We're gonna press this at 285 for 5 seconds. So we'll throw that off to the side. This looks good. So we will place this right in the middle. And then we'll take our little dots that we already had cut. Same thing, we'll take off that white backing. Place these all over the shirt. All right, we got everything on here. Now we're gonna go ahead and press it. There we go. All right, so let's take a look at this. Here it is. Howdy, howdy, howdy. We're gonna be making a mug to go with this as well, kind of go with the same theme. And then we have our patterned permanent adhesive vinyl, and we got a little bit of weed here. We're gonna put them on this tumbler here we got. We do have to mask it first because it is a bunch of little intricate details. Sometimes you can get away without masking it if you have just say like a circle logo or something. You can kind of just slap it on there. But if you really want it to line up really nicely, you're gonna wanna use a mask. There we go, perfect. You can see it's on the liner, and now it's gonna be a lot easier to kind of put on the mug and line it up. I'm gonna put it on the front side here, and then you're just gonna peel that liner back off. All right, this looks good, I got it. All right, we'll take that off. There we go. We got howdy on the cup, howdy on the shirt. So today we went over our pattern vinyl. Kind of just wanted to show you how you could use it, how it works, what you could kind of mix it with, what you could kind of create with what we got going on here. So that's it for today. Go like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks, and I'm out.